In this video, I'm going to show you how you can play Hytale with your friends. So I'm actually going to show you the different process you need to do if you want to create or host a world or a server, and also the process that your friends will need to follow if they want to join your server. Just a quick reminder that you can use the Creator Code Academy on the Hytale store if you want to support the channel. So firstly, you will need to download this software called Radmin VPN. You will just need to click on free download, and this will allow you to create a remote server and your friends can join directly from this software. So everyone will need to download Radmin VPN. Then after you open it, you will need to connect right here. And in my case, I have some servers already. But if you want to create your first server, just click on network, then click on create network and set a network name and a password. So it can be any name you want and any password. Click on create, and then once you have created your server, your friends will need to click on network, join network, and then just put the network name and password you have chosen. So after your friends have joined, you just need to go to Hytale, click on worlds, and enter the world where you want to start the server or create a new world. So in my case, I'm going to create a new one called server and just click on create world. Now, after you have joined your server, you just need to go to online play right here at the menu, then allow other people to join, enable this option, and you can set a password if you want to, and you can include that password in the share code. So now click on save, and after a few seconds, you will get your share code right here. So right now I got my share code. I just need to copy this code and send it to my friend, and what he will do is go to worlds, go to servers right here, join via code, and paste the code. So right now I'm going to go to my world and I will wait for my friend to paste the code right here. So let's see if he can join my world. And that's it. Now, as you can see in the chat right here, my friend has just joined the server through the invite code I sent him. So it's important to know that you need to click online play and you need to make sure that this is enabled and that you copy the share code. Because whenever you leave the server and join again, that option will probably be disabled and the share code will change. So that's it. That's how you can play with friends on Hytale. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.